Hello everyone, welcome to the channel once again. The name is Guru Boy. So in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off Find My iPhone on your iPhone running on iOS 12 and latest. So in this video I will show you all the steps needed to turn off Find My iPhone if you are unable to sign out of your iCloud ID using your password or you've forgotten your password. So first you need to connect to a Wi-Fi network, and this method is free, so that you don't need to pay for any tool. So you have to have an open menu, you have to have access to your phone as being shown here. So the first thing to do is to check if your Apple ID do have two-factor authentication. So move to password and security under your Apple ID. So when it load, make sure you do see two-factor authentication being enabled or be turned on. So let's wait for it. So here we do have two-factor authentication being turned on. So as you do see right over here, it being turned on. So meaning we are good to go for the first step. And the second step is to set a security lock onto, or to set a passcode onto our device. So let me turn on passcode. So let me delete the fingerprint on the phone, and now let me go in for 4-digit numeric code. So you can choose to use 6 numeric code. So here I'm using 4 numeric code. So the first, you have to verify your code once again. So after all this, you can lock your screen to verify you do have lock on your iPhone. So remember, this tutorial works on iOS 12 and latest. So here on our computer we need to download this tool, which I'll put the link in the description, which is the 3U tools. So in 3U tools, just you have to launch it right over here. So I do have 3U tools right over in my computer or on my computer. So if you don't have 3U tool, you can use iTools, or you can download 3U tools, which I'll put the link in the description. So connect your device to a computer, and 3U tool will detect your phone, and I'll copy the FMI to show you this device has Find My phone being turned on. So let's move to Flash and let's download the latest version of our device, iOS. So we click on download, and also if you do have the IPSW file being downloaded, you can import it. So here, right over here, let's wait for the download to finish. So whilst we wait for the download to finish downloading the IPSW file, let's head over to the browser and let me show you real quick that our device is being on, or the Find My phone is being turned on this device. So let me check it real quick. So make sure to follow the steps. So right over here we do have Find My iPhone being turned on as it's been highlighted. So Find My iPhone is being turned on. So all we have to do is to hide our browser, back to the download section, wait for the download to finish. So after downloading the IPSW file, it will verify our IPSW file, and after verifying we will see under the status downloaded. So let's click on quick flash. So let's check quick flash and not retain user data. So make sure you do not check retain user data but quick flash. So now we have the download, you have it been verified. So we will go in and flash or restore our device. So just click on flash and wait for your device to be restored. So I think this method will take at least 15 to 20 minutes to restore your device. So I'll be fast forwarding this part of the video. So almost done restoring. So now we have successful message saying our device is being restored. So the first time booting your device, it may take 5 to 10 minutes to boot your device for the first time after restoring your device. So let's wait for the device to restore. So that's it. So the next step, we are on the hello screen or activation lock screen, iPhone lock to owner. You just have to set up your device and be connected to the internet. So on the activation lock screen is where you use our passcode to unlock our device. So we will use the passcode to turn off Find My iPhone. So let's proceed, and we have to connect to a Wi-Fi network. So right over here I'll be connecting to my Wi-Fi network to have access to the internet to proceed to the activation lock screen. So let me fast forward this part. So here on the activation lock screen, they say we should verify with our Apple ID. We don't need that. We will go in for unlock with passcode. So use device passcode. So we have to input the device passcode to proceed and unlock our iPhone. So this method, as I said, works on all iPhone running on iOS 12 and above. So currently the iOS 16.3 also is being supported. So just wait for the passcode to, and that's it. Data and privacy, let's forward this setup. We have successfully unlocked our device. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and this method is for free. You don't need to pay any service or server. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. The name is Guru Boy. Thanks for watching. Peace.